Robbie. Oh, look at it. Our food's here. Too late, Robbie. You wasted too much time. Look at that. Fine, delicious quesadilla here. But we're here. Brandon got one of those too. So what'd you get Brandon for his birthday?
I got him something very special indeed.
France? Is this from France? Because it's France.
It's from France.
What the heck is it?
I think it's cologne.
I say France.
Why are you giving Brandon cologne? Are you saying it and it's France? It's foofy cologne.
Beyond that, why say France and have kanji?
Just open it.
Open it, Brandon. This is from Robbie. This can't be any worse than what we got you.
True.
You said that. You already said in the car, Robbie cannot be as horrible as I am.
These better not be your sisters.
What are they? What is it, Robbie?
You're trying to disgust me now.
What'd you do, Robbie? We're missing part of your joke. You're sitting here crying because he hit you.
I'm laughing.
What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box?
Fine.
Are these used?
And signed.
What did they say? To my best friend. That's pretty bad, isn't it?
I'm sorry.
Why?
I would have bought Brandon a bra, but I don't know his size.
You might want to feel the cup size.
Here, you could always check out this.
Huh?
Anyway.
Are you happy now?
Yeah, in some ways.